We still a week off, baby, but we back. Football's going, so we're gonna show y'all how to take it back to Wingstop. Making some lemon pepper wings and some seasoned fries. Super easy, super game day, and super silly dilly. All right, y'all, so we got us some drumsticks, some wings. You can cut them yourself. I cut them myself, but I wanted to do that off camera so we can prep up. Not too hard. If not, you can just buy them separate. Check it out, y'all. I cut myself on a chicken bone. Don't do that. Instant injection of salmonella. I don't know how your boy Silly Dilly's still here right now, but gotta do it for the channel. Gotta do it for the channel. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these all in the bowl. Okay, so how we're gonna season this. Gotta have lemon pepper. Lots of it. Okay. After that, a little bit of garlic salt. Seasoning salt. And more pepper, because it's lemon pepper, baby. How much? I don't know, y'all. Just make sure it's nice and covered like that. I'm gonna mix it without my cut hand because I don't want to get this Band-Aid nice and gross. So mix that in with your hand. And we're gonna let this marinate for a little bit before we fry them up. Show y'all how to do some seasoned fries. We did it a couple times on this channel, but we'll refresh. All right, so once those are like that, we'll put those in the fridge, let them marinate for a little bit. And let's get it, y'all. I missed y'all, by the way. All right, we're gonna take it like Wingstop. Wingstop has their seasoned fries and they keep their peels on of their potatoes. So what you're gonna wanna do is go clean your potatoes with a brush. Almost like you're brushing your teeth, baby, but brush your potatoes. I'm gonna go down a couple times. I would say about 3 cuts. Just like that. So it's important, if you're gonna keep the skin on, like I said, get all the dirt off of there because that's gonna be no bueno on your fries. So once you get it like that, make sure your potatoes are nice and lined up. And then just make cuts down like this and this will be your fries. It's about a medium thickness for your fries. I'm pretty happy with it. So we're gonna go ahead and put those up. Do it again, and there we go. That's how you do some fries, y'all. I'm gonna finish these up. We'll put them in the oil. We gotta blanch them first, which means cook them a little bit, get them nice and soft, and then we'll make sure they get nice and crispy with that second fry. So stay tuned, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So we're gonna do that first batch where we're gonna blanch the fries. If y'all really wanna see how to make the fries, go check out the Patty Melt episode above. And I just dropped a damn fry. Always dropping something with Silly Dilly, and we're not gonna fill this up too much, so we'll do about half of it. And then we'll do the rest. So stay tuned, y'all. You'll probably see a little bit of B-roll, but we'll make some bomb fries, y'all. Yo, Dalton, I haven't tried those yet. Can you have me a fry, bro? It's spooky season, baby. All right, seasoned fries. Nice and seasoned. Crispy to the taste, baby. Time for our wings. So, they've been marinating in the fridge. Same oil. Just gonna lay those in. One by one. Like that. We're gonna do about 2 more. And we're gonna let these go. So these are probably gonna cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So they're nice and golden brown and cooked inside. You don't want no pink, baby. Salmonella, like I said. It'll kill you. Just like these wings, because they're gonna be so bomb. So check those out, y'all. Nice and golden brown. These are gonna be nice and cooked in the middle. So what you're gonna wanna do, Get all that grease out of there. Put them on a cooling rack so all the air gets underneath the wings. If you put these on a plate, they'll make your wings nice and soggy, so you don't want that, y'all. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the rest of our wings, but you wanna hit them with a little bit of that lemon pepper. And we're gonna make a sauce still. So this is just to top them when they come straight out of the oil. Instead of putting salt, we're gonna put the lemon pepper. We're gonna put the rest of the wings in. And I'm gonna show y'all how to make some amazing lemon pepper sauce. So stay tuned, I'm gonna finish these off. While these are cooking, let's make that sauce. Sauce boss, baby. All right, y'all. So, sauce time. Get you a stick and a half of butter. Throw that in there. It's a little less than a half right there, but I'm gonna say a stick and a half for the amount of wings we making. We're gonna let that melt nice and delicious and amazing. Get you a spooky spatula, because it's almost October, baby. Actually, it's October when you're watching this, so it's October time. So we're gonna let this melt up. We don't want to brown this butter, but we want to, like I said, melt the butter up. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this nice and melted. Once it's melted, we're gonna add our lemon. Let's get it. All right, so butter nice and melted. What you're gonna do, get you a handy dandy lemon squeezer, because you don't want no seeds in this, baby. You're gonna squeeze 2 full lemons into this. There's not lemon pepper without the lemon either. 2 full lemons. 1 and a half. And 2. So what we'll do now is we'll season some lemon pepper. We'll do about a tablespoon. A little bit of garlic salt. About a teaspoon of that. And don't forget the fresh cracked pepper. We're gonna do probably about a tablespoon of this. Even though it had the lemon pepper, it's all right, we're gonna do extra. Mix that up. And this is gonna be amazing lemon pepper butter sauce going on our wings. Stay tuned. Sauce complete. And you know what time it is. It's time to eat. Lemon pepper wings done right, sauced and seasoned. I like some ranch, y'all. If you don't like ranch, don't put it on, but cheers. Enjoy your games, enjoy your Sunday, whatever day it is. Perfectly cooked. Fresh lemon is where it's at. Use fresh lemon, y'all. Nice crispy fry. I like hot wings, but can't go wrong with that tangy lemon pepper wing. Make sure you guys tune into the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Dilly signing out.